Hi friends, Chris Kelly here. Hey, I wanted to get my weekly video out before the week was up. It's been slipping every week, another day it seems like. But anyway, trying to get that out before I actually head out of town for a couple days of golf. So anyway, you know what? Nothing terribly earth-shattering this week. New listings, again, in the eights, which is good. Seeing north of 1,000 new listings would be better, but we're not there yet. Sales, pending sales also up over 800. On 600 the week prior. So, the market's just remaining robust, as I say. Sold listings 650. So, and if you compare it to 2019, which again I like to do because 2019 was pre-pandemic and a really good year. If you compare it to 2019, 804 new listings on 546 sales. So, we are performing better than we were pre-pandemic. We're performing better than we were during pandemic last year this time. So, days on the market, median, and as I said a few weeks ago, we started breaking apart the median and the average. Because median really is a better metric. It just is. But you can get an idea of the stragglers in the marketplace, where you got a bunch, maybe you have a few listings that are on the market 200 days because of whatever. And those kind of screw up the averages. That's why I tend to like median. However, showing the difference between the two versus last year versus 19, you can see that both in terms of median and average, we're better than we were both of the last 2 years. So the market is moving faster, definitely for more money. We're at 586 average on a 520 median sales price. That's it's insane, but that's where we've gotten to. Last year we were at 517 on 446. The year prior, 19, 460 on 420. That is a lot of upward movement. So not only has pricing gone up, the rate of sales are still faster than they were the year prior or the year before that. So what do you say? And you can still borrow money with an interest rate that starts with a 2. It's or a low 3, depending on pricing and all the variables. But my point is, money is still ridiculously cheap. The rate of sales is still ridiculously fast. We have put together multiple sales this week and last that are over full price, multiple offers, the whole bit. So, those things are still happening. Every time I start to say, well, maybe we're going to hit, maybe we're hitting a crest and maybe we're going to get to a plateau. I do believe we need one. There's no question that, plateaus and crests in the market, they're healthy for the market. It's just not happening yet. So every single time somebody says, hey, are we going to crash? Or hey, is now the time? Or am I buying at the peak? And you know what? Inventory numbers remain low. Money remains cheap. These two things keep things moving in the direction that they're moving. It is that simple. So anyway, I'm going to keep it a little shorter where stats and data is concerned. As I always say, if there's questions about this and you guys want to have a deeper discussion, or you have a friend or family member that needs to have a deeper discussion about any of this, I am here. My team is here to help. We're not here to try to hurry up and sell you something unless you need that. But if you just need some information, because again, information is power. So, that said, I'm gonna give on my birthday, I'm gonna give a little plug to kindness, and was the theme. There is power in kindness. So, hey, be good to each other. We live in volatile and divisive times, and it doesn't need to be that way. People choose that, and we don't need to choose that. So, I guess I would just say, be good to you and yours, and I will do the same. Anyway, until the next time.